Founded in 2003, Xiamen TDER Industrial Company Limited is an internationalized large-scale machinery manufacturing enterprise. TDER independently invented and produced 23 types of machinery categories such as forklifts, warehouse equipment, loaders, excavators, harbor machinery, and road machinery, etc. TDER has built a total of 3 manufacturing plants equipped with CNC machining centers, plasma cutting machines, OTC welding robots, Trumpf laser cutting machines and various special test benches. The annual production capacity reaches 3,500 units. Through the construction of a complete assembly line and the establishment of a strict quality inspection process, 25 categories of TDER products have been certified by authoritative international organizations such as SGC, TUV, BV, and Intertech. Over the past 20 years, TDER has sold a total of 87,000 sets machinery, which have been exported to 158 countries and regions, including Brazil, Russia, Australia, Canada, Turkey, etc. By now, TDER has developed 56 international agents and established 18 overseas after-sales service points. In fiscal year 2023, the total sales of TDER exceeded $91 million. In order to facilitate customers' multi-channel access to product information, TDER has independently constructed an all-network marketing and cross-border e-commerce matrix, forming a perfect pre-sale and after-sale system. With the vision of becoming a world-class machinery customization enterprise, TDER insists on providing high-quality products and excellent service to win customers' trust and respect. Creating value and rewarding the world, TDER will continue to take customization as the core, and strive for the world's machinery intelligence.